Hello everyone, bonjour à tous, and welcome back to the French Made Easy podcast. This is episode number 170, numéro 170. Today we are doing something a little different. I'm excited to introduce a brand new series on the podcast called Listen and Repeat. So this series is designed to help you refine your French pronunciation using everyday phrases in a pretty simple listen and repeat format. So here how it's going to work. In each episode of the series, we'll focus on one specific French sound. So I will say some French sentences where this particular sound appears, and your job is pretty straightforward. You listen carefully and you repeat after me. That's the practice. And this method is great because it helps you train your ear and build muscle memory, making you feel more confident when speaking French. And to help you follow along, of course, I've also put together a free cheat sheet with today's words and sentences and also translations. And if you enjoy this type of practice, I've also got a step-by-step listen and repeat guide for you with even more sounds and sentences. You'll find both links in the episode notes on your podcast platform. Okay, so today we start with the sound I. Now you'll find this sound in French in many common words such as vite, vite, petite, petite, biscuit, biscuit, musique, musique, and last one, Paris. Paris. All right, now let's practice the sound I with full sentences. So again, listen carefully to each sentence and repeat after me. And if you've got the cheat sheet in front of you, focus on the words in bold where the sound I appears. Ready? Let's do it. Paris est une jolie ville. Paris est une jolie ville. Paris is a pretty city. Marie écrit une poésie. Marie écrit une poésie. Il a mis une chemise grise aujourd'hui. He put on a grey shirt today. Il a mis une chemise grise aujourd'hui. Mon ami habite en Italie. My friend lives in Italy. Mon ami habite en Italie. Cécile se rend dans une petite librairie. Cécile is going to a small bookstore. Cécile se rend dans une petite librairie. Et voilà, well done. That was short and sweet. And of course, you can always go back and listen to this again if you need to refine your pronunciation and practice the sound I. So that is the end of today's episode. Don't forget to download your free cheat sheet for this episode. It includes all of today's sentences so you can follow along easily. And if you are ready for more practice, check out my listen and repeat guide. It is the same method we used today, but with all the French sounds and more sentences to help you practice. All the links are in the episode notes. Thanks for practicing with me today. Keep going. I'll see you in the next episode. À bientôt. Bye.